Eggs. You got all this stuff out, right? You need a stool.
I did.
Well, you can't see what you're doing. But how do we make the scrambled eggs? What else do you need? You have to put the eggs in something. And you need something to stir it with.
That thing!
Don't drop the egg.
This thing, Mama. This thing. This thing. This thing, Mama.
Back up. What is that thing?
A vase.
Say spatula? It's kind of hard to say.
See, I have a divine.
The grates?
I need something.
Okay, you need something?
My stool.
Your stool?
What I will do?
What do we do next?
Put an egg.
Okay, but don't we have to put it in a bowl first?
Huh? A bowl?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You need a bowl and a fork.
I can't get up with that bowl. I can't get that. I can't.
Will you do those dishes later?
But a big bowl. They are clean, Mama.
It's all clean. Oh! Wait a minute. You gotta put it in a bowl first. You can't put it in the pan if you want scrambled eggs. And we gotta add this. Right? Get a bowl.
Okay.
You need a bowl and a fork.
I want to put it right here.
Okay, but wait, we need to put it in a bowl first, both of them. Right?
But
Yeah. So you need a fork.
Get
it.
No, a spoon.
No, you need a fork and a bowl.
What's a bowl?
No, a bowl, honey.
Is it a door?
Under here. Check under here. Look, I see some bowls.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah. Do you think?
Just a little bit. A little bit more.
Ready?
And stop. Very good. Ah, careful. Put the lid on. Alright.
A two.
And the egg. Nice and gentle. Maybe a little bit harder. Here, let me see. Ready? Okay, can you split it in half? Remember how Mommy splits it? Make sure the shell doesn't get inside the inside the bowl. Open it up. It's okay if it gets on your hands. We'll just wash them. There you go. Over the bowl or else it'll spill. There you go. Gotta open it some more, babe. Keep opening it all the way. Put the shells on the side. There you go. Can you open it some more? The egg's not going to come out. So you got to make the hole bigger. Make it bigger. There you go. Hey, that's an interesting way to make all egg whites. Push, Mommy, push! I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Okay, now we'll put the eggs. Look at that. Didn't even get any shell in there. You are good. Okay, what's next?
A fork. A piece of that.
Yep, but you gotta stir it real good.
Yeah.
Try the other way now. Stir it the other way.
See?
Real good. Keep stirring. You got to make sure that all the yellow is mixed in real good. Now stir the other way. Now go this way. See? Here, try it. There you go. Good job. Hey, that's good actually. Do you want pepper?
Uh-huh.
Okay, put the fork down. I'll get your pepper.
No, I do my stuff.
Do you know where the pepper is?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You show me which one the pepper is.
What?
Right behind you. Oop.
Ow.
That's okay. Watch your head. Just walk around. Okay, which one's the pepper? Very good. Okay. Oh, we need cooking spray too. Do you know where the cooking spray is that I spray on the pan?
Uh-huh.
Do you remember?
Uh-huh.
Can you find it?
Here.
Very good.
I do. Mama, what I will do?
Okay, so now I gotta take the lid off the pepper grinder. It's a grinder, so what you have to do is this part here comes off, see? A little lid just like that. So you flip it upside down, flip it around, flip it like this. Flip, hold it with one hand and then turn with the other. Very good. Can you see the pepper coming out? Great job. That should be enough. Okay, go ahead and stir your eggs a little more. Get all that pepper in there. There you go. Just put the lid on top. That's all. That's all you have to do. Okay, now stir. Good job. Okay, now wait. See, look which way it's pointing. Got to point it towards the pan. See this white part right here?
Mm-hmm.
You see that? It has to point towards the pan, and then you spray. Push hard. You got to push real hard. If you can't do it, that's okay. I'll do it. Here. I'll do this part. And I'll start up the stove, too. It's kind of hard to do it while you're filming. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I will start the stove. Okay, wait a minute. I will start the stove. There we go. Wait. Make sure it's getting nice and warm. Because we just started it. Now do not touch the pan, okay? Go ahead and pour, but don't touch the pan. Very good. Pour all of it in.
Good job.
Good job.
I would do.
Okay, now we put our dirty dishes in the sink.
Okay.
Okay, can you put your dirty dishes in the sink? Clean as you go.
Huh?
Put your dirty dishes in the sink.
Huh.
Why not? Just throw them in the sink right here with all the rest of them.
Put them like this.
No, don't throw it like that, Mr. Baseball Player. Hurry up because your eggs are gonna burn. Okay, now what do we do?
Do it.
Okay, how do we stir? Be very careful. Do not touch the pan with your hands. Up. Like this. Okay, go. Remember how Mommy chops them too? Want to chop them? Like this. Watch. Let go for just a minute. And flip. You can see how it's all like liquidy right here? Okay, you want to chop them? Chop them. Chop them. Here. Like this. Small movements. Small movements. Okay, do it. There you go. Don't touch the pan with your hand. Very good. Okay, ready?
Done. I can't.
You done?
Uh-huh.
Okay, leave the spatula in there because it won't get burned if you leave it there. And then we're gonna turn this to off.
Uh-huh.
You turn it to off.
Uh-huh.
Watch your hands. There you go. Now what do you need? Do you want a bowl or a plate?
A bowl.
Okay.
But then I get a bowl and a fork.
Get a bowl out of there.
Okay.
You can get another bowl out of this cabinet if you want. Oh, do you need ketchup?
Uh-huh. And then dipple.
Okay. That's a small bowl. Do you need that for the ketchup?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go get your ketchup.
Uh-huh. I need to get a cat up for me.
Get your ketchup.
Where's that cat up, Samuel? Where's that cat up?
I think it's in the door.
Huh? Where?
It's in the door.
Huh? Where?
Look to your right.
Huh?
Your right-hand side, not straight in front of you. There you go. It's in the door. See the ketchup? It's on the top shelf.
Where?
Right behind.
Me?
Nope. You gotta move stuff. Typical male.
I need to get more cat inside a small bowl.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. There you go.
Let me try the cat up.
Can you smell it? Can you open it? It's kind of tough. There you go.
That's good cat up.
You gotta squeeze it. Can you squeeze into the bowl? Just keep squeezing because all the ketchup's gotta fall to the bottom like this. Okay, squeeze into the bowl. Is it not coming out? You want me to do it? Here, mommy, do it. I'll do this part. Ready?
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Thank you. I need some cat inside.
Okay, now you need a bowl for your eggs.
Dipple.
Okay. You need your own fork to eat your eggs too.
We're hungry too.
Mhm.
We eat.
These are just for you.
Huh?
Okay, wait a minute.
That's good egg.
Okay.
A good egg. Piggy me some bowl.
Yeah, I sure will. Let's see if I can do this big old honking thing one-handed here. Maybe not.
I have a small bowl.
You do have a small bowl of, what is that?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. With a P, ketchup.
I want to put the inside here. For me.
Okay.
Huh?
All done. No, well, what you can do is you can take the egg on your fork. So you cut it up. Get like a small little piece here.
Give me some.
And then dip it.
It's too hot, Mama.
Hey, Squirt, guess what? You just made your own scrambled eggs. How old are you?
3.